What you need to make your static flyer is like a little square. It doesn't have to be exact, but a little square cut out of a plastic bag. Any plastic bag will do. To be honest, the lighter the bag, the better it is, yeah? So if you have light plastic bags and thick plastic bags, I'd go for the thinner ones. And we're going to cut that to make a cool shape, and then we're going to make it fly. And it's really easy to do. All you need is that, a pair of scissors, like so. I'm going to draw a shape on mine, but you don't have to. You can like just ad-lib it. And a little bit of tape. I've got some double-sided tape, not the sticky pads this time, just the tape. So first things first, we want to make this into a cool shape, right? So I'm going to fold this in half down the middle line, like so, and then draw myself something cool that would fly. And you only have to draw half of it because you're going to cut this out on both sides. So you have to be careful with this, or get a parent to help you, because it's quite fiddly to cut this thin plastic out. And don't worry if you don't get it exact, because you can always like change it up later. Right, so we've got a good butterfly basically cut out. Mine is very messy, but yours, I'm sure, is going to be super beautiful. And you can't really color it unless you've got like some Sharpies or something like that, but you can do that later. Now, I'm going to make this into a kind of 3D butterfly because I don't want it to be boring. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a tiny bit of tape down the middle, stick it together so you kind of get that butterfly wing effect. So my double-sided tape is here. And I don't want too much. So take that double-sided tape off. Double-sided tape, again, super useful, but you don't have to have double-sided tape. You can just do this with ordinary tape or even masking tape, whatever. Glue, a little bit of glue. You've got to be very careful if you use glue, though. So I'm just going to stick this. I'm going to turn mine over because I've got the drawn side on that side. Stick this down the middle here. And then take off the top of my double-sided tape, which is super fiddly. There we go. If you thought double-sided sticky pads were hard, double-sided tape is twice as hard. And then fold it over. Try and get the same line that you got last time. So just to recap, because we had issues with our sound, you take your piece of plastic, fold it in half, cut that out, unfold it, and stick a little bit of tape in the middle, fold the plastic around it, and then you're left with a kind of 3D shape. The point is that it's off the ground a little bit down there, yeah? All you got to do now is generate some static electricity. And to do that, you need one of these. Yes, that's right, it's a balloon. Blow it up or get a parent to help you blow it up because I know it can be hard. And tie a knot in the end. And then that's your static electricity power generator for the rest of the time. Now, I like to rub it on my head. You don't have to do that. If you have tissue or a piece of kitchen paper, which I thought I had around here. You can rub that on it. And then you want your butterfly to fly. So I'm going to kind of come down a bit. Bring your thing close to it. Oh, it flew, it flew. See it coming up? Oh, stuck. You got to be careful and get in the right place. Oh, see that? Magically flying. Butterfly.